Welcome to the watch list. I'm Lindsay Melchuk. When everyone else hesitates, Planet Ventures is doubling down, snatching up more Bitcoin and boldly boosting their Treasury holdings to a massive 25.8 BTC. And while the crypto crowd rides the roller coaster, this company is playing the long game, positioning itself at the heart of the digital gold rush. Now, joining me now is the man steering the ship through these wild waters, Etienne Moshevich, CEO of Planet Ventures. Welcome to the show. It's a pleasure to have you with us.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time. Thank you. Looking
Now,
forward to telling our story.
I can't wait to hear more about this. Now, dropping another $500,000 into Bitcoin isn't exactly a casual move. I mean, what gave you the confidence to go that hard, and can you actually keep up that momentum?
Thank you. To be honest, I mean, we have huge conviction in the Bitcoin space, and we have a lot more Bitcoin to buy. So we're an investment issuer, as you saw. Planet Ventures is a full investment issuer. We have about 16 million in cash and marketable securities, which we're converting all and buying Bitcoin. So far, we've invested 4 million Canadian into Bitcoin, and out of our 16 that we have, and we're looking at increasing that rapidly. And if people looked last year, when I took over the company 18 months ago, we started at $3.5 million in cash and liquid assets. I put money in, I bought 30% of the business. I don't take a dollar of salary. I'm the single largest shareholder. I'm the CEO. We generated $4.8 million in revenue last year, and we have about 15, 16 million in cash and marketable securities. And so our thing is we are converting all of that into Bitcoin. So as of today, we have close to 26 Bitcoin plus an additional 12 million in cash and marketable securities, which we're converting to acquire more Bitcoin and looking at very accretive ways to acquire more Bitcoin. And that's what I'm working on right now. And as the largest shareholder of the company, I want to make sure that all shareholders win and everything that we do is accretive to all shareholders.
And that's the biggest thing is first and foremost, you're an investor in the company. So whatever is the plan for the company is going to benefit you as well as all the investors behind you. So that's an amazing move that you've done there. Now the stats per share just ripped up 670%. And we're looking at this is something that I want to ask you further is, are we looking at a complete rewrite of how investors should be valuing Planet Ventures now, or what's the game plan here?
100%. Obviously, I'm biased. I'm the CEO and largest shareholder. I think we're extremely undervalued. There's a lot more Bitcoin we're going to be buying. And I think kind of what's going to take us to the next level is us proving to the market that we can continue to buy Bitcoin even after we spend the money and the cash that we have. And I think we are doing everything we can to prove that to the market. And when we do, I think that's when we will get our true valuation, which in my opinion, is not being valued in the market today. So I think we're extremely undervalued. I think there's a lot of room to grow. And I think it all has to do with us showing to the market that we could be a leading Canadian Bitcoin treasury company out there by proving that we can use our cash, use the revenue that we get to generate more buying into Bitcoin, increase that Bitcoin on our balance sheet, and raise capital in very accretive ways to buy more Bitcoin.
Well, we love a good growth story, and these are definitely some key takeaways that are great for the portfolio. So thank you again for joining us and come back soon.
I would love that. Thank you so much for taking the time. All the best to you.
Again, that was Etienne Moshevich, CEO of Planet Ventures, a company that's not just watching the Bitcoin boom, but betting on it big time. For more information, check out their website at planetventuresinc.com and check them out on the CSE under the ticker symbol PXI. I'm Lindsay Melchuk. We will see you next time.